What's up? Comments. I'm just kidding. What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be playing Teardown. Longly not awaited. Right. So this is my new teardown business. La Kelly teardown service. Can't wait to commit some crimes with this one. So for in this game, we just gotta be a smooth criminal. I love how it doesn't baby you too much. How it kinda tells you what to do. Not like it's just handing the answer to you. That's good. Guess it'll drop on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Ooh, okay, let's read this. Just came in, sounds kind of fishy, but we need money. You up for it? Good evening, my name is Gordon Wu, General Manager at Advertise Mall. I have a slight problem with an old building that's blocking up our plans for a new wing, and I've been needing someone to knock it over. I need to be gone by tomorrow, and I'll be willing to pay more than standard rate for extra discretion. Nah, whatever. Advertise. Do we get to check out the mall? I'll go check out the mall first. Oh. Alright, let's do this. It's a nice little house, actually. Like I care. Let's save the, I guess maybe the chimney for the bombs. I see that there's a, not really bombs, but okay. This is fun. Like and subscribe if you want to see more teardown. This is my first actually like video on it. Unless you count the short. That was my first short and it was meant to be funny, okay? I think for purpose's sake, this is my basically my first video. Are you complaining still? No. Oh, I see what we do. You go in here, place down a bunch of now propane tanks galore. You fill up the inside. Do a little demolition. Gonna have to leave our signature logo. I'm still coming up with it. You guys probably already know what it's gonna be. Or maybe you don't. First little demolition. Oh man, that did like nothing. I'm running low here. Ooh, I get distance. Demolition complete. It ain't perfect, but it'll do. Yeah, there we go. We got the logo on the back. That was easy. Yeah, that's easy when you'll build different. Oh my god. This is cool. Good morning. Right. Investigating lowest tax evasion. Borrow some computers over at Lee Chemicals. Oh wait, I think this is the one with alarms. Buckle up, because this one's gonna be long. Okay, I don't think there's alarms here yet. How am I gonna set fire? Oh, it does work. This is not at all intended what I'm supposed to do, is it? Right, that's one. Where's that next one? Alright, this next one easy. Okay, I thought there would be alarms if we're stealing computers. But nah. Back warehouse corner. here. The computer should be right up in there. Now we gotta get this. Tear down without will destruction. Okay, I get it. It says mission accomplished. Get to the escape vehicle. I guess we're the illegal demolition company. Only 3 minutes. Well, I think that's where I'm going to end today's video. I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.